What's the difference between 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz? And if it is the number of cycles or the number of up-downs, what do you think improves with more up-downs per second?
It will be more faster.
It's faster. That's right. What do you think decreases with more motion?
The distance.
That's right. Why? The same way that if we are running a sprint versus a marathon, if we're running a marathon, we want to set ourselves in 2.4 gigahertz mode. We don't want to give all of our energy because we're not going to finish the marathon. We want to steady and pace ourselves, okay? Nice like this. But if you're a 5 gigahertz, you're doing a 100-meter sprint, you just want to put all of your energy. That's the 5 gigahertz. It does this, and then it's finished. Just need to remember 480 megahertz, 2.4 gigahertz, and 5 gigahertz. Okay, 480 megahertz we don't use, but that would be used for things like walkie-talkies in South Africa. Okay, they're programmed to something around there. Okay.